Assalamu alaikum my friends. Please subscribe my channel. A tailor was famous for his cunning and cleverness. Some people were sitting in one place, excreting the stories of this tailor's cleverness, and saying that he was a man of great perfection. We have never seen such a smart and clever tailor. No matter how smart someone is and sits in front of the tailor to cut his cloth, still he uses his cleverness to steal a little bit of the cloth and no one knows. Everyone was telling stories of the tailors according to their own experience. Among these people was also sitting a Solidus who considered himself wise. He spoke with irritation after hearing the words of the tailor's cleverness. Love, bro, I bet tomorrow I will take the cloth to him and cut in front of me and ask to give me my coat. I will see how he makes it out of my cloth. If he deceives me in this matter and shows his talent and indeed a little of my clothes steal, I will give you a reward. The soldier himself made such a bet. The next day, Solitaire took the cloth to the tailor shop and said, "This is my coat cloth. His coat is to be made in front of me, but the thing is that to cut it in front of me at the same time because he have heard great stories of your cleverness, but I am no less. I am not going to be fooled by you. I see who smart and clever you are." The tailor raised his head and looked at the soldier and laughed in his heart and said, "Brother, still I am a very honest man. It seems that someone has created a misunderstanding about me in your heart. I have spent my whole life doing the same thing, but it is forbidden to steal a single knot of cloth from someone." The tailor said, "I know that you are a soldier of understanding. You understand the bottom of everything. It is certain that who can be more intelligent than you?" The soldier did not blush when he heard the tailor's word and was very happy in his heart. The tailor has beaten me. The soldier handed his cloth to the tailor. The tailor started cutting the cloth with scissors. The tailor started cutting the cloth with scissors. Now the soldier sat down and fixed his eyes on the scissors and the tailor's hands. The tailor did not keep his answer even in joking and crowning. He remembered many jokes by word of mouth. When he saw that the soldier sitting so alert, he instantly told such a great joke while cutting the cloth that the soldier laughed and repeated after hearing it. In the midst of this laughter, his head tilted forward. The tailor was looking for his opportunity. He quickly cut some cloth and hid it. Now this soldier's laughter stopped and he sat up straight again. He was amused by the joke and said, "My master, you told a great joke, tell another." When the tailor was going to wait, he quickly cracked another joke. It was even more laughable than before. Now the soldier became ill with laughter and his head fell on the ground laughing. The tailor then looked this opportunity to steal more cloth. The soldier still did not know. Laughing and laughing. When his condition improved a little, he raised his hand and said, "My master, Tell me one more joke. The tailor smiled and said, Soldier, I will definitely tell you a joke, but then your coat will be too tight. Thanks for watching.